Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another session on security side. So this time we will be setting up Trivy. Trivy is a scanner. To be more precise, it's a vulnerability scanner, which is responsible for scanning images, your package OS dependencies, your secrets, your repositories, and all. So in our previous session, we have covered Linus. So Linus is more known for doing the system audit and doing comprehensive health check on the system, which is mainly of Linux and Unix flavor systems. But that is not the case with Trivy. Trivy can do the scanning and find out vulnerabilities in your window based OS as well, or any other OSs and all. All right. So prerequisite again, like we will be using Vagrant Ubuntu box for this, and let me run you through with the setup commands. So again, we are just updating the system dependencies and then adding this repo. So acquire security.github.trivy repo. So this we need to add along with the dependent key, and then we are updating system packages again, and this will install the Trivy for us. Alright, so let's get on with this. So I have already updated the configuration because we are using this one. So I'll show you what configuration I'm using. So I've just updated this config private network. Just uncomment this in the config part. Rest is done only. Alright, so let's do vagrant up. Okay, now it is asking us to do to run this provision, vagrant provision. So we'll do that, and we'll do vagrant SSH. Alright, so let's be the root user first, and let me quickly run this setup so that we can work on with the further part. Okay, so I have opened the insert mode and I'm just copy pasting everything so that it will cover up quickly. So this will not take much time, but it is still, it will, okay, so I have executed my user data script waiting for it to be completed, and it is done quickly. So see, I will check for trivy hyphen hyphen version. So just wanted to check whether the installation is updated correctly or not. So it is now showing vulnerability DB as well, and then the Java DB as well. Okay, good. Alright, so let's start with this. So right now, let me check whether I have having any image in this system or not. So we don't have any system, any Docker image. So what I'll do is, let me just pull some image. So I want to pull one Nginx image. It will take some time to pull that. Alright, we are done. If I quickly do Docker images, so we have one image. Now I'll show you how with the help of Trivy we can scan our image. So we'll just type Trivy, Trivy, and image we want to scan. So image followed by the name of image, and see how quickly it has already like covered all those stuff. So let me just show you. It is showing so many vulnerability with this Nginx image, which I have copied from, which I have pulled from Docker Hub itself. So see, but Trivy scan is able to identify 145. So it is see, it is outrightly saying that 89 are of low, medium, uh, 13 high, and 2 criticals. This is a big, this is this image would be vulnerable only if we use it. All right. So this is showing in the form of this reports and all. So I'll not able to find any proper UI connector, otherwise that also will cover, no worries. So let me do quickly we'll do one more thing. Let me pull docker, pull uh, MySQL we can pull. So I'm just showing you how we can do the scanning for images as if now. Oh, right now I don't have any image in the system itself. That's why we are pulling it from the Docker hub. All right, it will. So it's taking a bit of time here. Alright, so we'll do Docker images, and now this time we will scan MySQL. So again, Trivy followed by the image and the image name which you want to scan. So let it scan, it will take some time in order to do the scanning. Because Nginx was done very quickly. Or see, this one is also done in a fraction of a second. So again, it has already shared the vulnerability recommendation. I just wanted to show you the top part wherein it has identified. So it has identified around 55. I just wanted to go at the top of it. Okay, so my SQL Oracle 9.4, so it has identified 3 vulnerabilities, but these are the medium quality only. So see, this is just wanted to show you how we can scan the images. Now we'll do the scanning of the file system. So try v, and we'll just pass fs and followed by the path on which file system you want to scan. So in my case, I will be scanning home vagrant. See, this is done. And let's say if you want to scan secrets, then for in order to scan secrets, you need to pass some flags. So I will be using -- scanners, C-A-N-N-R-S, scanners and secret. So Trivy, file system, -- scanners, secret, and followed by the same. So we are doing this the secret scanning. So that is done. Now let's say you want to do the same thing for the images as well. So we'll show you. No. I'll just wanted to show you where how can we check for the secrets scanning for images as well. So it is again Trivy image, but we are passing -- scanner and secret to scan the secret vulnerabilities for the images, right? So let it scan. It should not take much time. So see, we are done, and it is not able to find any thing related to security scan. One more thing I would like to show you. We can do the repo scanning as well. So let me show you. So Trivy repo and followed by the repo name. So in our case, what we can do is we'll just give our this resource repo itself. All right. So just give me a moment. I'm just searching for the path like wherein we can do the clone. All right. So this one, instead of this, we'll do this SSH HTTP one. So let me just copy this. Trivy repo, and let's scan this. Okay, so again, okay, my bad, I missed it. So basically we just need to pass the token as well, security token. All right, so for this then only it will work, otherwise if it is not able to scan, so no worries, I have copied that token as well. So we'll copy it. So this is my token. I've already generated it earlier. And now what I'll do is we will pass it as a variable. So I'll show you. So we'll export as token and token equal to this. So I have set it. Now how would I get it? By doing echo followed by the token name as a key. So see, I can get to see. Now I will be passing this one as let me clear the screen and we'll again check for the wrapper part. So where we can pass the token. So token we can pass with here with $DOK token. So it should work now. So see, like with after passing the token, it is able to scan. So there is no like issue with the repositories as well. So as you can see how easy this setup is and how quickly you can do the scanning and all. So this is what I've planned for this particular session. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.